Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Here's another unboxing video from eBay. This is from Trainz down there in Georgia. And I think I got a good deal after taxes and shipping. Each of these cars worked out to be about $16 a piece, which isn't too bad. Some are worth less, some are worth more. But the box is really good. Wow, yeah, it's really good. Tied together. Get this out of the way. I like to open it up near my Trainz set here. Now I like to collect box cars and flat cars. I'm not big into the oil tankers or the any of those other log trucks, or not that there's anything wrong with them, but that's what I like. So Trainz, I've had good luck with them. They do have used. I collect post-war. So this is some more post-war items. I'm an antique collector, toy collector, and that's what I love about Lionel is you get toys and you get antiques. So the first one here, this is in really nice shape, a little dusty, but really nice shape. It's the Railway Express Agency refrigerator truck. Got this little thing here that shows you the control panel, the doors. They may open, yeah, they slide open. That's good. I have the marks when the doors come open accidentally. Where here you have to pull them out. This is a super good deal. It's the 6572. Tracks look good and everything. Couplers look good. They locked into place. So I like that. So that's a good one. The next one, I was more interested in the actual flat car than the trucks on here, because these aren't these semi-trailers. They're not actual O scale, even though they come on there. They're small. They're more like HO scale, but not bad shape. A little dirty, but that's all right. I'll probably just use them as a background. And here the top's missing. That'll be easy to fabricate a new top for it. It does have the 4 holes, so if you buy the accessory where you can, with the forklift, you'll be able to use it on here. But these are good buy. I like them. Looks good. And this car is very similar to the auto loader car. Let me compare them. So here's your auto loader car, and here is your semi. So I bet you a little bit different, but I bet you I'm going to be able to put cars on here if I want to. So this one looks good. It's got nice couplers. It's got the wheel here on it, so that's good. This is a 6430 for the semi-trucks. Semi-trailers, I mean. Good deal on that one. Next, we have another box car. Never thought I'd be interested in getting this one, but this is the Highway Express Agency Horse Express, where you actually have these horses that come out, and you can get the optional corral. Don't know how this works yet, but I'll mess with it and figure out how it opens and everything. But pretty good deal for 16 bucks, I think. Again, couplers are good. Got the thing there. The underbody looks good. Electronics looks good. So this is going to be fun. Looks, I like it. It's going to match. I like the way the top looks compared. This is the original Traveling Aquarium 3435 that I have, and so they'll look good together on the scale, so it looks great. And then the final car is another 6800. It's got the wheel here. Both the couplers look good. I already have a 6800 with this airplane on it. This is aftermarket airplane. Looks good. But now I'll have this 6800, which actually looks a little darker, and I'll put this airplane on there. So now I'll have two airplanes, which will be a lot of fun. But overall, I'm really happy. $16 a car. I still have to add my collection to the things I like. But if you like this and my other shorts I have, please subscribe. And thank you. Have a great one.